Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm doing a really quick walkthrough of the one bedroom here at the Northfork at Lexington Ranch. Northfork at Lexington Ranch, one bedroom. And this is what it looks like. So I've just walked in the door and it is a keyless entry. And then this is what it looks like. Super pretty kitchen. Kitchen is delightful. I mean, everything's just recently built, new, nice. Really, really big cabinets. Love these cabinets. And then just lots of space. You got really pretty luxe vinyl that's there below too. It looks great. And then here's what it looks like over here. So it gives you really a lot of room. These are wide spaces. You've got a table, you got chairs you can just put under there, and that's essentially your table. And then you've got a really pretty living room. You got a lot of space. You could do a sectional in here too easily. You do have a patio out here also. So patio, nice patio that's here too. That's super pretty. And then let's show off that bedroom bath super quick. So the bedroom looks like this, looks awesome. It's very big. You can put a king bed here if you want. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom is very, very nice. And then here is the shower and things like that. And then you've got a closet here too. So really, really cute, adorable. Hey, this is a perfect place to start out. If you want to be in Frisco, in East Frisco, this is a great location. It's super safe. And I'd really recommend you do a virtual tour first. Send in a text to me. My number is below. Send in a text and just say, I'd love to do a virtual tour. If you're local, let's do a live tour. We can set that up also. Either one is going to be free for you always as a part of our service. So send that to me right now.